to another video, and today is a very special video because finally we've reached 50,000 subscribers. What I am honestly so still trying to wrap my head around it, because just in January we were barely at 20,000. We're not even at 20,000 and now we're certainly at 50,000 and I'm like, what? So yeah, it's been a really rapid growth and a lot of new people have joined us, and to those people, hello. Yeah, I thought I'd do something a little bit special for you guys since it's 50k. So I put a little poll on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on there yet, you can go check out the link in the description. So I put a poll over on my Instagram story asking what video you guys wanted to see first. And most of you voted for a 50 facts about me video. And the other option is actually going to be the surprise for 50k. I am starting a new sort of series on the channel where I am going to basically just be drawing you guys. So yeah, I'm thinking of releasing a video where I draw you guys, my subscribers and my followers once a month, or more regularly than that, I'm still not sure. But yeah, if you want me to draw you, it's as easy as just sending me a direct message on Instagram with a picture that you'd like me to draw you in said episode, and I'll handpick a couple of you every month. So if you don't get drawn in the first month, I might draw you the next month. So yeah. Don't be sad. I've really been wanting to do this kind of video for a while, but I thought I'd let some more people come in and then have a big pool to choose from. So getting onto the video today, I'm doing a 50 facts about me, and 50 is a lot of things, so I'm going to try and whiz through these as quick as possible. It also kind of serves as an introduction to all the new people that are here. Hello! And so now you get to know a little bit more about me. Yay. But I picked out 50 facts that I think are something that you probably wouldn't know, so kind of weirder facts. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get right into the video. So my real name is actually Philippa, with an F. I am 1 meter and 70 centimeters tall, and have been for a while. I'm 19 years old, I am a 98 baby, so it means I'm turning 20 this year. I got my first tattoo at 18, and it's this little one right here. There you go. And I've actually got 6 more since. I love hummus. I was born and raised in Porto, Portugal, but now I live and study in Leeds. I study animation at Leeds Arts University. I have this necklace that a bunch of you always ask questions about, and it means long life and a fortunate life in Mandarin, and it was given to me when I was born, and I still have no idea who gave it to me, but I haven't taken it off since, so I've had this all my life. I basically live with my earphones in. I never take them off. Even sometimes I can like not be listening to anything, but I still have them in because they provide comfort. I have an insane insectophobia. I also have a serious addiction to Crave, and I put cereal in first. My biggest fears are the ocean, the big wide ocean, and flying. I have 2 sisters, one little sister called Vicky and one older sister called Anna Cecilia. I'm the middle child. I also have 4 pets. I have 2 cats who I've had for ages, and they're Miffy and Lola, and then I've got 2 dogs, Summer and Winter, who also have an Instagram, by the way, who you should follow. I'll leave the link in the description. Yeah. I currently work at Hollister as a part-time job. I am dead obsessed with stripes. I don't know if you can tell. I love pineapple on pizza. Sue me. My favorite music genre is, I think, what you'd consider R&B hip-hop. I'm not really sure, Spotify calls it a very weird thing, but it's basically R&B hip-hop. My favorite movies are probably a 3-way win between Love Actually, Disney's Hercules, and Burlesque. I can't pick between the 3. I'm actually not a big fan of sweets or chocolatey things. I get sick of those very easily. I have a total of 3 scars on my body from accidents. I have one on my ankle, that's the most recent one, right there. I got impaled at the metal workshop at my university. I have one big one on my knee, over there, you can't see it. And that was from an accident when I was about 8 or 9, where I completely destroyed my bunk beds and it all fell on me, and I got a huge scar from it. And then my 3rd one is from a surgery. That one I won't show. My dream place to travel one day is Jeju Island in South Korea. I like setting very strange alarms on my phone. So like 7:22 is my alarm in the morning. I once broke my toe, which was the only bone I've ever broken in my body, and it was actually a very funny story. I was paragliding from one tree to another on a school trip, and I went straight into the tree with my toe and my full body speed, and my toe was broken. When I was little, I used to have a cute little baby afro. I also have a little mole on my leg, actually, that when I was born was next to my foot, but since then my skin has stretched and stretched so much that now it's halfway up my thigh. My favorite color is minty green. I do prefer the cold to the heat. I have a lifelong obsession with Winnie the Pooh. I am extremely double jointed. Yeah. I have a Back to the Future poster right over my bed, and so I have for 2 years. I was actually meant to go into med school until I was 16 years old. I was gonna be a doctor, and that's when I decided that I wanted to actually go into arts. I also have a hereditary leg tic, which is really annoying for everyone else, because I don't notice it anymore. My grandfather used to have it, and it's basically just my leg just keeps going my right leg, which results in my right thigh being a lot thicker than my left. But I do it all the time apparently, and it's super annoying. Sorry if I ever do it next to you. I have an unusual dexterity with my toes. Sorry you had to see that. I have had asthma since I was a baby, and I still do. I have green eyes. Fun story, I had a piercing for 2 days on my nose last year. I got my nose pierced, yes, and I had it for 2 days, and I decided I didn't really like it anymore, so I just let it close. It was on this side. I also used to wear braces for 3.5 years. The only flavors of ice cream that I like are vanilla and cookies and cream. Literally just that. Any other ice cream, I will pass. I also cut my own hair. Sometimes better than others, but it's, you know, it's a curve. It's a learning curve. I played volleyball for 5 years back home when I was still in school. I live with my 2 besties who do the same course as I do. I cannot sleep with socks on no matter how cold it is. My nickname Pipa, and also the name of my channel and everything, actually came about as a mispronunciation of my actual nickname in Portuguese, Pipa, and my friends found it so funny that it stuck, and then they found a really weird way of spelling it. So there you have it, that's the story behind my name. I wear glasses, yes. Both my eyes are a bit screwed up, and actually this eye sees a lot worse than this one, so it's a very specific prescription. I only own about 4 pairs of shoes. And lastly, number 50, I started YouTube in 2014, but I only actually started posting videos in about 2015. Now we finally hit 50,000 subscribers in 2018, and I just want to thank everyone from the bottom of my heart for anyone that's been here since the beginning, and for everyone that's new as well. Hi, I love you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new about me. Sorry for bombarding you with facts about me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you again so much for 50,000 subscribers. And don't forget to send in your pictures for drawing my subscribers video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!